So these plants are Dudleyas, which are really great California native succulents. This one specifically is called Dudleya caspitosa. And most of these Dudleyas get about a foot tall, if that. This one is Dudleya trascii, Dudleya edulis. This one is stolonifera. This one is Dudleya attenuata. What's nice with Dudleyas is they will grow in sun or shade. They need very little water or maintenance. And they will grow indoors. I have a bunch of Dudleyas that are growing really nicely indoors. They rarely get watered other than getting misted every couple of weeks. And they're great for, like, if you want to make like a little indoor terrarium. There's also different varieties of Dudleyas. One called pulverulenta, which I'll show you a picture of. That looks like a really gorgeous rosette. And that one's called chalk Dudleya because it gets a chalky finish. And I'll actually show you one here that's potted up. So this is another interesting variety of Dudleya that's potted up. As you can see, there's 3 in the pot. So you could leave it as this or separate it and grow them individually. So what's interesting with this is it gets kind of a, I don't know if you can tell, but it gets kind of a chalky texture to it. There's another one also here. This one is hybrid. It just says species hybrid. But again, these Dudleyas and all of them are great as a California native succulent that will grow both indoors and out. And because they grow indoors in containers, obviously they do really well outdoors in containers as well. They will grow in tight spaces really well.